What now, or what is next, is one of the biggest questions we get asked. You've had a project manager come out, you've picked out the type of shingles or siding that you're wanting to have done. You've signed a contract, you've paid your down payment, so what comes next? Our project managers turn in a work order, material order, production checklist, all of the paperwork for your project that is needed. They will send all of that into the office, where then I will get everything ready, put it all into your personalized file. We go through every single job, whether it's roofing, siding, gutters, to make sure nothing gets missed, or if there's any kind of things that we want extra details on or anything we need to custom discuss. Once everything is in and I have went through everything, I give you a phone call or a text message, whatever is easiest for you. We go over your project in detail. We want to make sure that all of your questions that you have are answered, confirm that you haven't changed your mind on any kind of colors that you're wanting to use. Make sure we check off every box for every single part of your project that we're going to be touching. Once everything has been confirmed, I will then go ahead and get all of your material order with our supplier. Sometimes, depending on if it's siding or roofing or a special color, it does take a couple of days for our suppliers to get their hands on it. After everything has been ordered, I then send it over to Jonathan. That is our production manager. He's the one that gets everything scheduled. And as soon as our suppliers let us know that all the material needed for your specific project are ready for us to get our hands on, Jonathan will then reach out to you and we will get you scheduled. Another big question we get is, when am I going to get my project scheduled? Scheduling, we like to say anytime from 1.5 to 2 weeks that we can get your project started. If it's a bigger project and we're doing multiple things, we like to say that it takes 2 to 3 weeks. Now, we do live in Indiana and you never know what kind of weather we are going to get. So all of our timelines are based on weather pending. If it rains for a week, that's going to push off jobs that we already did have scheduled. So if it takes us a little bit longer, looking 3 to 4 weeks to get your project started, we're not pushing anything off. It's just we have to work around that weather and work around all the other projects that we have turned in. Once your project is fully completed, after you confirm that you are happy with everything and the way everything turned out, your project will then get moved back over to me, where I will reach out to you and we will figure out the final invoicing. We can either always mail that to you or email that to you and go over the different options that we have as far as paying that remaining balance. If it's something that insurance is involved in, we will send that final invoice to insurance as well on your behalf, so it's one less thing that you have to worry about. If you have any questions or concerns and you're not sure where to turn, you can always call our office at 765-561-4023 and speak with me. I will be more than happy to answer any questions or answer any concerns that you might have throughout this entire process.